Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's look is tropical, okay? We're doing a tropical look today because it's summer. Yeah, I'm tired of all the burnt orange that I've been doing lately. It's really getting old, and I decided to still do burnt orange, but with a pop of color. So yeah, that's what today's look is. If you would like to see how I got this look, please continue to watch, and yeah, let's get to it. So I'm going to start off with moisturizing my face. Oh my gosh, I'm actually using moisturizer on my face. What? Yeah, so I got this little like Glam Glow. Wait, okay. I'm so sorry, I don't have autofocus.
Because I'm bored.
Wait, that's enough. What is wrong with me? You see me looking down a lot, it's because I'm looking at my monitor, which is below me. Oh my god, and I like didn't clean the brush from the last time I used it, so I'm getting like a mix of colors. We're getting the rainbow. It's okay. It's fine. Clean your brushes, kids. I'm pretty much using this palette for the whole look. I think I'm gonna go in with my Morphe 3502 for like one of the eyeshadows, but other than that, I'm just using this. To be honest, I really could just use this. I don't even have to go into the Morphe. I think I might do that. So now I'm going in with the hot pink. It looks purple on camera, but it's
hot pink.
Alright, I'm going in with this red right here. So right now what I'm doing is I'm just going in with my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. This stuff is so freaking bomb, you guys, okay? It's only a dollar. Holla. So I think today is the day that I'm going to wear a little bit of foundation because my skin is going crazy right now. Like, my period is coming, so I'm breaking out. And yeah. So I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me. I'm gonna go in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm gonna conceal. It's really showing my body. So to set my face, I'm using CoverGirl True Glow Minerals with setting powder. So for underneath my eyes, I'm using Laura Mercier. Fucking allergy. So that's enough baking. I'm going to bronze my face so that I don't look as ashy.
Possibly bend you over, look back and watch me smack that all on the floor. Smack that.
Alright, so I think I want to put some highlighter on now. Yes. So I'm going to take a Throwback Thursday Anastasia Beverly Hills. Oh, it's like that? Oh, okay. Oh shit, I've been sleeping. So my lashes are on, and now I'm moving on to the lips. So I'm taking NYX Lip Cream in Stockholm, and I'm going in with that. So now that that's done, I'm going to take my Huda Beauty palette, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm putting that on my lash line. Okay, so last I'm gonna set my face with my NYX Dewy Finish setting spray, and yeah, we are done after that. Setting spray feels so good. Oh my gosh, especially in the summer. Right, so that completes today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like how the makeup turned out. I like it, okay? I like it. I think I did okay. I think I did fine. I think I'm doing great, sweetie. No, but yeah, I hope you guys liked this video, and if you would like to see my face again and you're not subscribed already, subscribe. Why not? You guys just do it. It's fine. It's fine. Is it gonna hurt you? Is it really gonna hurt you? It's not. Yeah, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and tell me your thoughts. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.
Dang.